Amara's love for her husband, Emeka, was unwavering. She gave him her inheritance, changed her name to his, and devoted herself to their marriage. But Emeka's heart was deceitful. He used the property to secure a loan and married another woman, and sent Amara out of their home. Broken and destitute, Amara's life crumbled. She became poor and wretched, a mere shadow of her former self. One day, while wandering the streets of Lagos State, she stumbled upon her former classmates who took pity on her and introduced her to a secret society. The society promised Amara wealth and revenge against those who wronged her. They told her to collect the water people used to wash their hands before eating at a restaurant and bring it to them. Amara did as instructed and she became very rich and wealthy, buying cars and mansions. She has a lot of people coming to buy food from her. Those who ate her food became stagnant in life and became poor. Consumed by vengeance, Amara killed her ex-husband and his new wife, but her success was short-lived. One of her customers, a kind-hearted woman, Chisom, gave money to a beggar, who revealed to Chisom that her glory had been used for evil purposes. The beggar told her to pray at night to break free from the society's grasp. Chisom began the prayers, and immediately Amara, who collected her glory, ran mad. The society's hold on Chisom was broken and she was free. The story of Amara serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of blind love, the law of dark magic, and the devastating consequences of seeking revenge. It also highlights the power of redemption and the importance of seeking deliverance from evil forces.